Harmful algal blooms, or HABs, occur when cyanobacteria, also called blue-green algae, multiply rapidly. Cyanobacteria are naturally present in low numbers and are an important part of freshwater ecosystems, as they contain chlorophyll and are therefore capable of photosynthesis. However, under certain conditions such as warm temperatures, high sunlight intensity, calm water, and high nutrient concentrations, cyanobacteria have the potential to grow rapidly in number. Hot, sunny days following a rainstorm are conditions that promote HABs. This is because nutrients get into the lake through runoff, which is when rain falls and moves across impermeable surfaces, such as pavement, thereby carrying sediments and pollutants into the lake. Phosphorus and nitrogen are the nutrients that contribute to HABs, predominantly found in animal manure and chemical fertilizers. Cyanobacterial HABs most often occur in closed bodies of water, but may also be found in streams and rivers. Harmful algal blooms have a variety of appearances and are commonly described as looking like scattered green dots, spilled paint, or linear green streaks. It can be difficult to distinguish HABs from non-toxic blooms. HABs are often mistaken for filamentous green algae, duckweed, and pollen. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid any floating scum or discolored water for risk that it is a HAB. HABs are dangerous because certain taxa of cyanobacteria produce toxins, called cyanotoxins, that are harmful to humans, other mammals, aquatic species, and birds through ingestion, inhalation, or skin contact. Symptoms from contact with cyanotoxins include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, skin, eye, or throat irritation, breathing difficulties, and allergic reactions. If you think you have had contact with a HAB and/or experience any of the symptoms listed above, rinse your skin immediately with clean water and seek medical attention. Localized HABs prevent recreational activities from occurring where present on the lake. Also, because cyanotoxins have the potential to harm local aquatic wildlife, HABs impact the local fishing economy. As a result, waterfront property value may decline, further hurting the local economy. A key threat to the Cayuga Lake ecosystem and the health of local communities are harmful algal blooms. In 2018, the Cayuga Lake Watershed Network worked collaboratively with the Community Science Institute and Discover Cayuga Lake, two other nonprofit organizations, to develop the Cayuga Lake HABs monitoring program.
Hi, I'm Hillary Lambert. I'm Executive Director of the Cayuga Lake Watershed Network, and we've been working with the Community Science Institute, New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, Discover Cayuga Lake, and other groups since about 2017 to try to find out what's going on with harmful algal blooms in Cayuga Lake.
The goals of the monitoring program are to inform the public of HAB occurrences on Cayuga Lake and to accumulate data to better understand the factors that promote HAB occurrences. The monitoring program is capable of collecting water quality data through HABs monitoring volunteers, or HABs harriers, who patrol designated monitoring zones across the Cayuga Lake shoreline for HABs. If a suspicious bloom is observed, the trained volunteer would collect a water sample by skimming the surface of the water in the densest bloom location using an amber glass bottle. The HABs harrier must then refrigerate and transport the sample on ice to the Community Science Institute's lab, the same day it is collected before 4 p.m. or the following day.
Here at the Community Science Institute, we help implement the Cayuga Lake Harmful Algal Bloom Monitoring Program. And this program consists of a lake-wide network of over 90 volunteers now who are monitoring over 50% of the Cayuga Lake shoreline for harmful algal blooms during the summer months. And so these volunteers go out to their beloved section of shoreline each week and monitor it for any signs of harmful algal blooms or cyanobacteria. And if they do observe a bloom, they're trained to report it right away so that we can get it up on our Cayuga Lake HABs reporting page to alert the public and to all lake users that the bloom is occurring in that area. And then they collect a sample.
The Community Science Institute then performs microscopic analyses of the water samples to determine the cyanobacteria taxa present, the concentration of total chlorophyll A as a measure of bloom density, and the concentration of microcystine toxin.
These are really important analyses for helping us understand bloom occurrence on Cayuga Lake and how toxic these blooms are that do occur on the lake. It helps provide information over the long term about harmful algal blooms that could be useful for informing current management strategies and even future management strategies to help address these blooms and hopefully decrease their presence on Cayuga Lake. It gets the word out to the community and it alerts lake goers and visitors and residents and all who might be using Cayuga's waters.
The Cayuga Lake HABs monitoring program is unique in having a local certified lab to conduct water quality tests, allowing the program to quickly inform the public. Results of sample analyses are posted on the Community Science Institute's reporting page within 24 to 72 hours. The reporting page also provides an interactive map of Cayuga Lake that identifies any suspicious and confirmed blooms. The Cayuga Lake HABs monitoring program is able to effectively manage HABs because it is a community-based effort. So thank you to all of our volunteers, water quality researchers, and environmental stewards.